Thinking about implementing an ERP system but unsure where to start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. We've broken down the ERP implementation process into 8 simple, easy to follow steps. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. The first step is all about laying the foundation for your implementation process. Define your system requirements, research potential solutions, and assemble a cross-functional team to spearhead the project. Next, it's time to choose the ideal ERP solution for your business. For that, you'll need to find answers to a few important things, such as requirements, pain points, budget, and hosting preference. Explore your options and pick the one that best fits your business needs. Now comes the technical part, installation. You can choose between the 2 deployment options. If you choose a SaaS solution, there will be no software installation. However, if you choose a private or cloud-based ERP system, it will take a few days to weeks for hardware and software to be delivered to your premises. Data migration is where you move your business's brainpower into a new system. Once your ERP system is installed, all your business data must be filtered to remove any incorrect or redundant entries. After filtering, the data will be added to or moved to the new ERP system. Before going live, your active transactional data or data activity is converted or moved to the new ERP software. In this step, it is crucial to ensure that your IT team, finance team, and other designated subject matter experts receive adequate training to familiarize themselves with the new ERP. This step involves creating and executing a detailed testing plan. It is crucial to measure user acceptance of the new ERP and to know if the ERP system fits your needs. Also, employ your IT resources to check that the new ERP software is working as expected. The go-live step is about rolling out your ERP system into your operations. For that, there are a few options. You can either roll the new ERP completely, activate it in phases to minimize disruptions in operations, or use both the legacy system and the new ERP at the same time. The implementation process doesn't end at go live. To ensure the optimum performance of the new ERP system, you must monitor user feedback and potential improvements based on your growing needs. And that's how you make ERP implementation a breeze. If you need more guidance or have questions, reach out to us.